In this short and quick video, we will learn how to turn off visual alerts for notifications in Windows 10 or 11. So very simple and basic way, guys. Just you have to find out settings. Now in this settings, click on ease of access. Now in this left side panel, there are some settings. Find out audio, this one. And in the last, you will see this setting, show audio alerts visually. So click on this drop down and select no visual alert. To disable and turn off, just here select no visual alerts. Then close and restart your system. So this way you can turn off visual alert for notifications in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching.